Hi, I'm Jana. I'm going to be playing Grace Like Rain, but before I start, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Bethany. Bethany, thank you for all that you do for this community. I am so grateful that God led me to you through YouTube. Um, you have been such a blessing in my life already with everything you've taught me. And so I hope that that blessing continues to go forth to others as I learn to use this to worship and praise. Um, anyway, I don't want to cry. So thanks so much for everything that you do. This is Grace Like Rain. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see so clearly. Hallelujah, grace like rain is falling down on me. Hallelujah, all my sins are washed away, they're washed away. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious that grace appeared the hour I first believed. Hallelujah, grace like rain is falling down on me. Hallelujah, all my sins are washed away, they're washed away. When we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun, we've countless days to sing your praise than when we first begun. Hallelujah, grace like rain is falling down on me. Hallelujah, all my sins are washed away, they're washed away. Washed away. Washed away. Washed away. Thanks for listening.